Here are the 3 most common questions sellers ask. Number 1 is, how can I tell if this is a good time for me to sell my home? If you're selling and buying, then it's never really a good time to do that. If you're going to sell high, you're going to buy high, and if you sell low, you're going to buy low. If you're only selling the home, the best time to sell is when it's considered a seller's market. That's when you're going to get the most amount of money for your home. Number 2 is, what's the difference between a realtor and a real estate agent? Not all real estate agents are realtors. A realtor is a term which refers to as a real estate agent who is an active member of NAR, the National Association of Realtors. Realtors are required to stick to a strict code of ethics. Number 3, what factors can affect my home's value? The size, the age, condition, lot size, appliances, fixing, pool or porch, those all are considered to affect your market value. Also, the big ticket items like roof, AC, plumbing, those things could be considered the market value of your home.